Start.
Yeah.
Come. Okay, so right now we are in Europe. I am with my friend Ram, and the biggest challenge what Ram has that he can't understand Hindi, so I have to communicate with him in English only. So अभी हम लोग नॉर्वे के अंदर हैं यूरोप में. लेट मी गिव यू अ क्विक व्यू. ये आप आवाज़ सुन सकते हो, ये आवाज़ हमारे इंडिया में भी आती है. Okay. Ram, come here. Say, how was your experience in Norway?
It was fine,
Except this
bro.
sound. Yes, tell me now. How was your experience here?
It is fun.
You could remove your mask, brother.
The weather you can find is very chill.
People
and,
want to know that who the smart guy is. Okay, just tell us your experience in Bergen City. How
we
did you
could
find it?
We could find many epic
Come here,
sceneries,
come here.
epic natural sceneries around here.
Uh-huh.
The climate is very chill and
By the way, Ram is
Westy.
the person who has taken admission in Western Norwegian University of Applied Sciences by academics. He has a sound academic background
no.
and he is studious as well, unlike me. So right now he is in Bergen. He is enjoying his quarantine. Within 2 or 3 days his quarantine will get over. Then he will move to Haugesund. And right now let me show you the quick view of the lake. Right, Ram, what's the name of this lake?
Lilla Lingwavan.
Lille Lake, whatever he said, right? I am unable to pronounce in Norwegian, right? Ram knows a little bit of Norwegian.
I'm just starting to learn the language.
That's why I told you, Ram. Right. He is intelligent enough to learn so many things. He has done exceptionally well in his,
But the guy
engineering
next to me
career.
is more intelligent than me.
Okay, this is the best thing what we can do. We appreciate each other, right? So people will realize, okay. अब आप देख सकते हैं हम लोग पूरे आपको यहाँ से लेके पूरा बर्गन सिटी का एक बार के लिए व्यू दिखा देंगे. देन यू विल गेट टू नो हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस सिटी इज़. Same happens with the people as well. People are super cooperative. Whenever you get stuck, you can take their help. Let me show you one thing, right? Ram, come here. So this is the main thing what generally happen when I met Ram for the very first time. He told me that he is from India. So I was thinking, okay, I just found some person, but let me be. Yes. But the thing is that Ram doesn't understand Hindi, so we have to communicate in English only. Thanks a lot, brother. Okay. This is the person, right, who told us the name of this lake. Okay. But still, we are not good in pronouncing Norwegian name. So Ram?
Yeah.
Ram is the person, right, who insisted me. Okay, let's take a walk. And
And explore
we
the
came
city.
here.
Explore the city. Explore Bergen.
So अभी हम लोग लेक के चारों तरफ से हैं. पूरा एक बार के लिए व्यू दिखा देते हैं. We got Wi-Fi as well in Norway. You could easily get Wi-Fi. Let me give you the quick view of lake. आप एक बार देख लीजिए पूरा. The thing what we were thinking that we would be able to get the view of the complete mountain, right? But we were mistaken.
If you
We should have taken from that side. Okay. लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं एक बार के लिए to give you the view.
see there's a tram.
Yes. You could see the complete. नॉर्वे के अंदर जो मास्क हैं पूरे के पूरे रिमूव हो गए हैं, राइट? यू डोंट नीड टू वेयर मास्क. Okay, but the people who are coming to Norway, right, they have to complete their quarantine. They have to wear it. Once your quarantine gets over, you don't need. Now we have to go this side, right? Because we have to cover that mountain, right? Where are you, brother? You should be here. Right. जब हम लोग का ये लेक वाला पार्ट कवर हो जाएगा, देन हम लोग आपको पूरा का पूरा एक बार नॉर्वे के रास्ते दिखा देंगे. So you will get the better view.
Maybe you should cover the statue.
Which one?
This one.
I want to take the view of that hill, right?
Okay.
And people
Just
would love it.
You could just take this photo, cover this video.
Okay,
and
this
you
one
can move this.
from there. Yeah, we got it. And right now, Ram, what's the time like? He is busy.
It's 8:17 p.m. and still
8:17, right?
Yeah, around 8:20.
17 past 8 time here it's that is close to 30 past 8, हाफ पास 8:30 बजने वाले हैं, लेकिन नॉर्वे का जो टाइम का चक्कर है वो हिसाब उल्टा ही रहता है, ठीक है. गर्मियों में पूरे का पूरा. Sorry?
But we could see sun.
Yes, right.
The best part is the sun sets later.
Here
in Norway.
sun sets
Later than
late.
India in Norway.
But on the other hand, in the winters, things change completely. अभी एक रॉ वीडियो आपके सामने आ रहा है, ठीक है. उसके बाद हम लोग पूरे के पूरे बर्गन सिटी को ट्राई करेंगे कवर करें, और उसके बाद पूरी की पूरी एक सीरीज चलाएंगे हम लोग. अभी हम लोग जो हम लोग दिखाना चाहते हैं. यस, मैं पीछे से एक बार के दिखा देता हूँ पूरा का पूरा. दिस इज़ द व्यू, राइट. ओके, फेयर एनफ. लेट्स मूव. चलिए. आई कीप टेलिंग यू द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश, जैसा मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भी हमेशा बोलता हूँ. राइट नाउ, राइट, आई एम विद द पर्सन हु बिलोंग्स टू इंडिया, राइट, बट द चैलेंज इज़ दैट he doesn't understand Hindi, he doesn't speak Hindi, so we have to communicate in English only. It is an irony, at least in Europe, but as I told you, language तो सीखनी पड़ेगी brother. We have no option. What do you say, Ram?
Sure.
Right? नॉर्वे में इस तरीके के ऐसे स्कूटर चलते हैं, राइट, और यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में आपको हर जगह भी मिलेंगे, राइट. ऑल दीज आर सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड. आप आराम से अपने मोबाइल से QR कोड से एक्टिवेट कीजिए एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. ऑल द ब्यूटीफुल कार्स यू विल फाइंड हियर, ठीक है. ऑडी वॉडी जो अपनी नॉर्मल इंडिया में चलती है वो मिल भी जाएंगी. यू विल फाइंड टेस्ला एज वेल, ठीक है. गरीब वाली मर्सिडीज और छोटी छोटी बाइक भी हैं यहाँ पे. राम, हाउ डू यू फाइंड दिस फीचर? मोबाइल का फीचर, हाउ डू यू फाइंड द फीचर ऑफ दिस मोबाइल, राइट, एज आई टोल्ड यू.
Yeah.
Right.
We got some powerful cameras, bro.
Sorry?
We got some powerful camera
Indeed.
with good features.
Well, we will realize, right, once we are done with the edit part. We have to take right?
Straight.
No, we have to take right.
We just crossed the lane.
I just forgot the path.
Where we saw roses.
Okay,
We could cover these roses.
Okay.
You can see near the trash. We can see beautiful roses.
As Ram advised me that I should, capture these roses as well. ये सारे तो इंडिया में मिल जाते हैं, कौन समझाए इसको, but let's cover it. Now we have to take the same path or straight. Okay. Now we have to stop it.
Yeah, I think
We should cross it, yeah. Okay. That guy came, na. ऐसी आवाज़ें आपको इंडिया में मिल जाएगी. सारे के सारे हर तरीके के लोग यहाँ पे आप होते हैं, राइट. ये स्कूटर जब हम आए थे तब भी खड़ा हुआ, तभी भी खड़ा हुआ है. डोंट आस्क मी द नेम, राइट. नॉर्वेजियन में है, प्रोनाउंस करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. अभी हम लोग वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स आवर होटल.
Scandic Bergen City.
Scandic Bergen City.
Yeah.
Some people say Bergen, some people say Bergen.
It's the,
I believe it's Bergen.
it's the right pronunciation for the local people is
Who cares? Bergen.
Bergen. But most of the English or the foreign people will say Bergen.
Bergen.
Yeah.
Who cares? The spelling is Bergen. Right?
Bergen.
Bergen. No, you could find subscription-based bicycles here. Right.
Ladybird bicycles.
I think Obos is a company.
Do you know Ladybird?
People are
bicycle?
sorry.
Ladybird bicycle.
Yeah.
You can.
Sorry.
You start to feel cold right now.
No, yaar.
Still,
Why people are wearing such type of jackets? I don't need it.
because he's strong.
Sorry.
He's strong.
This is Volkswagen. गाड़ियाँ इंडिया वाली भी सारी की सारी हैं, टेस्ला के हैं सारे के सारे मॉडल. विच वन?
This way.
दिस पे.
Yeah.
ओके.
You forgot the Rima 10,000 now.
Ramat on the where it is. Okay, oh yeah. Actually, I'm engrossed making videos.
Yeah.
It's Osterwin. Hoggorn. How do you pronounce this word? Hoggorn.
Hogong.
Hoggorn. Let me cover this one. Rusalka. Right now people are coming from their work, right? लोग अपने अपने घरों से आ रहे हैं, अभी अपने ऑफिस से आ रहे हैं घरों की तरफ. अभी हम लोग आपको एक रॉ पूरा का पूरा चीज़ें बता देते हैं. व्हाट हैपेंड?
No, the guy, he had a small bike. I think you should cover Rima 10,000.
Ramat 1000 years.
Yeah.
Don't tell
I
people.
mentioned it is the only affordable, what you call it, grocery.
No, there are couple of, right. When I just went to Rema 1000, right, when I didn't find the stuff, what that girl said that you should try Kiwi. Kiwi also has their stores.
Yeah, only 2 stores.
Rema.
Rima 1000
But when we open our YouTube channel, we will find lots of videos of e-commerce companies. Right. हाँ, one more thing, यहाँ पे कोई Amazon जैसी चीज़ नहीं है. So अभी e-commerce यहाँ पे मेरे को नहीं लगता इतना तेज़ी से. हाँ, कुछ ऑर्डर होते हैं तो Amazon पे का जो स्वीडन में तो है. When I just check website, let's see कब होती है यहाँ पे ई-कॉमर्स की शुरुआत. ऐसा नहीं है कंपनीज़ नहीं है, कंपनीज़ हैं, लेकिन इसलिए जब आप देखोगे एक वेबसाइट fin.no चलती है. इफ़ यू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ब्राउज देयर एप्लीकेशन और वेबसाइट, इट्स UI UX इज़ नॉट गुड, इतना अच्छा नहीं. सो आई रियलाइज़ कि अभी चीज़ें टाइम लगेगा यहाँ पे. रीमा 1000 स्टोर, लेट मी गिव अ क्विक व्यू. रीमा 1000 ये है, जैसे हम लोग का डी-मार्ट जैसे होते हैं वहाँ पे चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं यहाँ पे थोड़ी. लेट मी कवर द एग्जैक्ट नेम. द नेम इज़ रीमा 1000. ओके. वेयर आर यू राम? भाई तुम तो आओ, हीरो हो. ये हमारे वीडियो के सबसे बड़े हीरो है. This one is Tesla. We came a long way. Finally, we are about to reach our destination. This is scooter the same. Let me give you a quick view now how it works. So you have to get your mobile recharge with that particular app. उसमें आपको अपना पैसा डालना पड़ता है, राइट. QR कोड से एक्टिवेट कीजिए एंड देन इट्स गुड टू गो. These guys will spoil our complete video. People will say, so it's better we have to increase our speed. Now we are on the pedestrian lane. चल रहे हैं हम लोग. So I could give you the complete view of roads here. Right now here it's a church. आपको एक बार के लिए चर्च दिखा देते हैं. There is apothecary, just like a pharmacy store here. And here's the view. हम लोग का होटल आने वाला है. The place where we are staying. Let's move. People follow traffic rules, right? People have civic sense here. So just wanted to show you. Let me cover the church. Good one. Yes, Ram. How was your experience of our today's trip? How did you find it?
I just explored the city a little bit.
Uh-huh.
I wish to explore a lot.
Sorry?
But, I wish to explore a lot.
Okay. Tomorrow we will make a
At the
plan.
same time, I don't
Right, because-
bother Raghav's study.
Sorry?
Raghav's study.
Lots of people know about my study plan. What do I do? How much do I study?
18, straight away 18 hours per day. He plans to study.
Okay. This is the best thing. एक दूसरे की बढ़ाई करते रहो, राइट, और लोगों को लगेगा हाँ यार सही है. जब कोई आपकी बढ़ाई ना करे. सॉरी. यस, वी हैव टू स्टॉप हियर ना. ये हमारी हालत होती है, जैसे अभी इंडिया में तो खाली पड़े निकल चलते हैं, राइट.
Just use your hands.
Sorry?
And
हाँ.
show our powers. But,
Right now we have to
here
follow
the
it.
hands won't work.
हाँ. Let's move.
You can see Renault cars.
Renault.
It's a pizza delivery car.
Pizza delivery car. Right. Here all these are bikes. People are having fun, right? People are extremely friendly.
Yeah.
Right. They never bother if you want them to take a pic or selfie with them, right? They do not create any issue. If you get stuck somewhere, though their first language is Norwegian, but they always try to help you out, right?
Most of the people here will
Speak English in
as well.
Hindi, Norwegian well. Some people, right, they have issues, right? They are not
Most
fluent
of
in
them will
English.
Speak fluent English.
Not exactly, right? I met so many people, Norwegian, though they are, localite, but they are not, comfortable.
Some kind of, but most of them will speak.
Another church comes, I believe. Right.
Yeah, yeah. It's a
Here is
big
another
church.
church.
Maybe it's kind of a old church.
Let me steal the mobile, so we will take it as a pic as well. इसका pic भी ले लेंगे. Let's move it. Okay. Do we have to stay
No,
here?
there is no signal.
Okay, come. Let's go there, na. Let's go there. We have time. Okay. हम इंडियन हैं, हमारी आदत नहीं होती ट्रेन को पकड़ने की. Right. We have to cover it, right? Here is a restaurant,
No, yeah.
cafe.
It's a
Sorry?
but
बार कैफ़े सब बराबर है यहाँ पे यार. या कैफ़े होते हैं, मतलब बार तो हो ही जाता है. Wait, I believe. Volt. Let me cover this one. Sorry. एक बार के लिए हम लोग पूरा. Let me take the pic from here, ना. Ram, you could take the selfie or you could take the pic if you want. Okay. We will take it on the video. Okay.
okay.
No issue. Let's come.
Maybe you cover this beautiful flowers as well.
Sorry. ये फूलों के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है. Earlier he asked me to take the pic of roses now. पता नहीं कौन से फूल है, देख लो आप लोग. आपको लगता है तो कमेंट करके बता देना. Let's cover it. He asked me to cover that church. I didn't want, इतना चढ़ने का नहीं था. When we were going, he said, इसका एक बार के लिए ज़रूर लेना. All this का, okay, Red Bull का ऐड लगा रखा है बाइक के ऊपर, कार के ऊपर. You are feeling cold, brother?
Yeah. 41.
This one is. Okay, one thing. Yeah, excellent. Come. Go there. Here is our stud, Ram. Ram, I give you chance to come in our video, right? Now it's your responsibility to subscribe our channel. Okay?
Okay.
And let your friends say to watch our videos,
Sure.
right? If they really want to know about the Europe and other countries, we will cover it very soon. Shall we go upstairs or it's enough?
Maybe.
इसको पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा है चढ़वाने का, ये जान निकालेगा. Okay, let's cover it. Finally, we have arrived. Let me cover the complete one. Fine. वीडियो की लाइन बढ़ती जा रही है. Again another Tesla. Let me cover it. Are we done? Shall we go? Go there, I will take your pic, na? Do whatever you feel like. Come. It's in video only, right?
We shall edit.
Uh-huh.
And take there is no option to take a picture while taking video.
Yeah, I'm using the Ferrari for the very first time, right? I don't know about its all features. But ask your friends, right? Watch my video. Yeah.
Sure.
We are covering the whole things. Here we are. We climbed enough stairs. Finally, we are going down. Down. Ram, what's your tomorrow's plan? Don't tell me that you would be studying.
We are done with studying.
That's what I'm telling you, right?
Better we start.
He is super dedicated guy. He studies a lot.
No.
I'm wasting his time, but he doesn't have any other option.
The thing
Do you have any other option?
No. Are we gonna stay in the same room? No, we're going to explore Virgin City tomorrow.
We are covering. Now we are going downstairs. We have covered. Thank you. Let's move. I have no idea whether the video what we would be getting at the end of the day would it be shaky or not, but as of now it seems good. This church is nearby our hotel where we are staying right now. You could see the name of our hotel, that is Scandic Bergen City. You could find the name of only Scandic here, right? It will take almost 80 to 90 steps. Okay.
Scandic is a big chain of
Okay.
hotels you could find in
Yeah.
Scandinavian cities.
Now you could see that here it's a bar. यहाँ पे बंदे बाउंसर की तरह सिक्योरिटी के लिए खड़े रहते हैं. Another hotel, basic hotel Bergen here, but we are staying in Scandic. Let me give you a quick view of our hotel as well. Sorry. It's our 24 minutes video finally. Let's see. But yes, You people must have enjoyed the whole trip. This is only the beginning. We will be covering lots of trips. Initially we started with the Norway only, then we will cover other countries. Right now we are in only one city, right?
Yeah.
We have lots of options. We can cover Haugesund, we can cover Sogndal. Very soon we will give you a wonderful view of Sogndal. It's a municipality in Norway. We are planning for the next week. Till the time, enjoy Bergen. हम लोगों ने आज जितना कवर किया है, कल हम लोग और प्लेसेस को कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे. वी विल गिव यू ऑल द बेस्ट थिंग वट एवर वी कैन. These are the roads here. People have civic sense. They respect or they follow all the traffic rules. Ma'am, what's the time?
It's around 8:30.
8:30.
Yeah.
राम बता रहे हैं कि अभी 8:30 ही हुआ है. एंड लुक एट द स्काई. इंडिया के हिसाब से अगर हम गर्मियों की लेके चले तो 7 सवा 7 का टाइम होता है. आपको जो पूरी की पूरी पेड स्कूटर्स होते हैं उसका भी एक बार के रिव्यू दिखा देते हैं.
That's our.
They have 2 buildings, Scandic Bergen City on the right side and left side as well. People generally prefer these scooters to travel for the short distance. हम लोग के होटल के जस्ट पीछे ही एक है पूरा का पूरा साइकिल का, वो मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. आई बीन कंटिन्यूसली वॉकिंग एंड स्पीकिंग. लेट्स गो. दिस इज आवर होटल. This one and this one. Right, we are residing in this hotel right now for a good 2 or 3 days. We will be checking out, I believe, on Monday. We got our COVID test done, and on Sunday as well they will take another sample, and hopefully it will come negative. Then we are good to
Free
go.
to go. Wait for the signal.
Sorry,
Wait for the signal. Yeah.
where's the cycle store? Yeah,
Cycle store is here.
जनता को दिखाना था ना, वही तो था मेन. Where's the place? Okay, वो उस साइड है. Let's come this side. Come. We have to stop. There is no car, so we can move. It is on right hand side, brother.
No, I thought we are going further to explore.
Sorry? No, people want to know. हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे एक बार के लिए इसका राइड का भी आपको दिखा दें. सो यू विल गेट द बेटर आइडिया. सो वी आर राइट नाउ एट आवर होटल. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा स्टोर है. यहाँ पे अलग अलग जगह पे बना रखा है. हम लोग ये होटल के पास ये स्टोर है पूरा साइकिल का. राइट, अभी एक इलेक्ट्रिक है. राइट, यहाँ पे अपने मोबाइल में ऐप इंस्टॉल कीजिए, चार्ज कीजिए, स्कैन योर QR कोड एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. दीज आर द बाइसिकल्स. सारे के सारे यहाँ पे प्लास्टिक मनी ज़्यादा यूज़ होती है. राइट, पीपल डोंट प्रेफर डूइंग ट्रांजेक्शन विद कैश. डन. सो वी आर एंडिंग. फाइनली वी हैव रीच्ड टू आवर होटल. हम लोग एंड करते हैं अपने वीडियो का. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वी विल ट्राई टू कवर अदर प्लेसेस एज वेल. टिल द टाइम, एंजॉय.